Honorable Governor,
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Honorable Chairman, Andhra Pradesh State Legislative Council, Honorable Speaker, Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly, and Honorable Members of the State Legislature. It is indeed an honor and privilege for me to address the joint session of the present Legislative Assembly on this momentous occasion of the current budget session 2024-25. On being elected with an unprecedented mandate, my government has so far presented 4 budgets and implemented a slew of welfare and development programs for the benefit of hitherto neglected sections, and it would not be an exaggeration if I say my government has put its heart and soul in fulfilling its promises. The subsidy on diesel oil from rupees 6.03 to rupees 9 per litre, covering 20,034 fishing boats incurring an amount of rupees 128.27 crores so far. The government has also spent rupees 3,186.36 crores so far to benefit 61,682 aqua farmers towards power tariff concessions. 35 integrated aqua labs are being established across the state with an expenditure of rupees 50.30 crores to ensure quality aqua products. development of mother and child and women empowerment. Andhra Pradesh is committed to focus on empowering women and use their capabilities in the state building process in a more effective way, ensuring them of proper health, nutrition, and hygienic ambience. The state is also committed to improving child health care and nutritional intake for enabling them to become better citizens by promoting social, emotional, cognitive development of the child through Anganwadi services. The services are being provided through 55,607 main and mini Anganwadi centers in Andhra Pradesh. To address malnutrition and anemia, YSR Sampurna Poshana Plus in tribal sub-plan mandals and YSR Sampurna Poshana in plain areas is being implemented by the state government. Through these programs, a total of 6.4 lakh pregnant women and lactating mothers, 28.62 lakh children of 6 to 72 months age are getting benefited. As part of reaching each and every beneficiary, state government has been providing all the commodities as take-home ration. A significant investment of rupees 6,688 crores has been made under these schemes, positively impacting 35.70 lakh beneficiaries. My government has procured and distributed rupees 21,082 crore worth of growth monitoring devices to all the Anganwadi centers in the financial year 2023-24 to improve nutrition and reduce the risk of inadequate nutrition and for early detection of growth disorder. For safe transport of mothers and their newborns from government hospitals to their homes post-delivery, my government has procured 500 Talli Bidda express vehicles costing rupees 71 crores. This initiative has benefited 3,27,289 mothers. With a view to improve and reinforce the women empowerment efforts and strengthen the economic development of the poor SHG women in both rural and urban areas, my government has been implementing the YSR Asara program. The objective of the scheme is to reimburse the entire bank outstanding loan amount as on 11/4/2019 directly to the group savings account of the SHG women in 4 installments. So far, 7,98,395 SHGs consisting of 78.84 lakh women got the benefit of an amount of rupees 25,571 crores over a period of 4 years.